Welcome to this tutorial for the Academics page in the myFSU portal. At the top of the page, you'll see a notification bar. If you have any holds on your account, they will be displayed here. For example, the notification here shows you have 2 registration holds blocking your registration. On the left of the page is your academic profile. This provides the same view of your degree, advisor, and academic plan that you see on the homepage. To the right, you'll find the Current Classes portlet. After you've connected your account to Canvas using the button on the homepage, your courses will appear in this section. You can then toggle the eye icon to show or hide your grades for each class. As you scroll down, you'll find the Course History and Planned Courses portlets. On the left, Course History gives you a historical view of all the courses you have previously taken, along with the grades for each. On the right, the Planned Courses section is where you can plan your courses for an upcoming term. This portlet will also display when your enrollment period is open, so you know when it's time to enroll. At the bottom of the page, you will find several resource sections. The Upcoming Academic and Registrar Events section highlights important dates. The Quick Links portlet provides direct access to helpful resources like admissions, forms, the registration guide, and the campus map. Finally, the Academic Resources and University Offices section provides organized links to various campus departments you may need to contact.